Hi, it's Sharon from Ponderosa Garden Adventures, and I'm outside today at the very end of December to show you our yard as it is. I think it's important to document what's going on so you can remember what's happening in your yard and what the yard looked like at a certain point of time. But we've had just an amazing amount of green and so much color in the garden in December. We're here in winter, and it still amazes me what these plants can do. So let me take you around and show you what's going on in the garden, and then we'll catch up at the end. Well, thanks for joining me here today on our December garden tour. As it is, with all the maintenance that still needs to be done, all of the bushes overgrown and the leaves that need to be raked, I think it's really, again, important to document what's going on in your garden so that you can keep track of what worked and what didn't. We're going to have a video coming up real soon on Mark and I talking about our 2025 season and just a recap, what worked, what didn't, what we won't do again, and what we're planning for 2026. So I hope you'll join us for that. I thank you for joining me here today for our tour. And if you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you'll consider doing that. It really helps our channel. Give us some comments. Let us know what you think, what you liked, what you didn't. And we'll see you next time on Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Bye, guys. Hi guys, it's Sharon. Hey, I just wanted to pop in and say I thought it would be nice to do a tour without any talking and without titles and all the rest of that. So if you have any questions about any of those plants or anything at all, just put it in the comments and I'll be happy to answer those. And I just wanted to wish everybody a very happy new year. We hope you've had a wonderful holiday, and we're excited for all the new videos coming up in 2026. So happy new year, guys. Bye.